Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change domain name in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser over your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then be sure you log into myshopify.com. Use your account as well to ensure guaranteed success in the tutorial. Once you are in My Shopify in your browser, click on Settings in the lower left. It has a gear icon. Then, a new pop-up window will appear. In here, you will need to scroll down and then look for Domains. It has a globe icon. Once you find it, tap on it or click on it. Once you are here, there are two options: to buy a new domain or connect to an existing domain. As you can see, there's a hyperlink. Now we'll tap on the hyperlink. Once you see this one, a pop-up will appear with a description box. From here on out, you can change your domain name over here using this box. And then, once you are already satisfied, all you have to do is click on Add Domain button, the one with the green color. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.